So we're back with another video, and this video is strictly to show you how to define your curls. If you have natural curly hair or you have weave, I'm going to show you the steps on how to define your curls and also how to get that luster back into your curls. So if you want to see how I achieve these bombshell curls, then keep on watching. First things first, I'm going to show you the products that I'm using. So I'm using a brush, a bottle of water, and some Cantu Redefine Curl Lotion. So that is going to really get your curls popping. So first what you're going to do is you're going to take a comb, well, more like a paddle brush or detangler for your curls, and what you're going to do is comb through your curls. Make sure all the detangles are out. When you run your fingers through it, you don't want any snags or nothing, so make sure you comb through the curls. So the first side I'm going to do is this one right here. I think this is my right side, and I'm going to actually spray, well, my mom is going to actually spray the hair, well, drench, not spray, honey, drench the hair with water. And you see her running her fingers through it. She's running her fingers through it so that as she sprays, it doesn't like get tangly again. She's spraying it so as she runs her finger through it, she can detangle the curls. So you're going to take the Cantu lotion and you're going to get a good amount in that hand, and you're going to actually warm up the product so that you can run your fingers through it and get those curls to be popping. So she's sectioning the curls off, and she's also just running her fingers through it so that she can define these curls. So it's going to do its job itself. That's what the cream is for, and it actually is working. I love this stuff. I use it on Layla. I use it on Layla curls. So she has like naturally curly hair, but it's not, you know, that kind of curl that's like, okay, she's a natural curly hair. It is curly, especially when it gets wet. So yeah, that's all she's doing, and it's going to leave the curls popping. Anything that you need to cut excess hair, that will be cut off later. So you can tell a big difference between the curls being defined and the curls just being dry and looking bad. Okay, it looks totally bad. So I'm just going to repeat the same step on the other side of the head. Make sure you fix up any parts before the hair dries and mold. And that is it. Anything that you see that you need to fix, go right ahead. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out their hair in the description bar below. And I'll see you guys on the next video.